Yes, ready. Madam Deputy Chairperson, there is no problem with the bill. Stop. We support the bill. There is no problem with the bill being passed by the House. Stop. The problem is only with its implementation. Stop. The implementation goes wrong. Stop there. We differ. My friend is piloting the bill. Stop. He is a good pilot. No doubt, but the poor pilot is made to look after the roadways. Stop. Therefore, there is some difficulty. It seems. Stop. He is a nice gentleman. We know, but there is some difficulty in the pilot maintaining the roadways. Stop. That is the difficulty. Stop. He is a pilot piloting the bill. Stop. He is piloting the roads instead of the airways. Stop. So my point is this, madam, the bill is good. Stop. It is a very important subject. Stop. The standard of communication of a country including transportation will show the standard of civilization of the country. Stop, madam. According to the Director General, his own department, 1/3 of the road traffic of the country is using the national highways. Stop. It is a very enormous amount of traffic that is using the national highways. Stop. In that case, I say that the national highways, rather the roads themselves, are very neglected. Stop. It should be a major item in the plan. Stop. We have agricultural, industrial and other sectors. Stop. In the same manner, the road transport must also be taken up as a big sector in the plan. Stop. Rather, we are ignoring that sector. Stop. Para. Recently, there was a World Road Congress. Stop. There they observed that the condition of the roads in India is very bad compared to the world standard. Stop. Ours is a developing country, but our roads are more underdeveloped. Stop. This state of affairs should not continue and the conditions of the roads should be improved. Stop. It is also estimated that to bring out national highways and other roads at par with the required standards, rupees 6,000 crores is needed. Stop. I think the Honorable Minister knows well how much money is required for improving the roads. Stop. In the very object of the bill, the Honorable Minister has stated that the agency system has failed. Stop. Keeping that in view, he has brought this bill in the House. Stop. I think there is nothing wrong with agency system. The wrong is actually with the government of India. Stop. It means 1/3 of the requirement has been met by the government of India on this particular aspect. Stop. Para. So how can there be anything wrong with the implementing agencies in the states? Sign of interrogation. That is why I say this allegation of the minister seems to be wrong. Stop. I agree with the Honorable Minister that the road transportation must be improved. Stop. We must take up the development of the roads at par with the development we have achieved in other fields. Stop. Secondly, I understand the urban links need more than rupees 32,000 per kilometer, but the government of India has allocated only rupees 16,000 crores stop. These are the reasons for the failure of the agency system. Stop. There is nothing wrong on the part of the states. Stop. I do not remember exactly, but I think 2 years ago the MPs of Andhra Pradesh had gone to the Honorable Minister to represent the problems of our state. Stop. He received us very smilingly and offered us coffee and cold drinks. Stop. He treated us very well and cordially, but I must point out that our problems remain where they were. Stop. I do not know why the minister, who is so sweet in his deliberations, is a little bit bitter in work. Stop. Para. I would like to narrate some problems of Andhra Pradesh. As per the Government of India norms, there should be 5,500 kilometers of national highways in Andhra Pradesh. Stop. Against this, only 23,000 kilometers of national highways are there. Stop. The government of Andhra Pradesh has proposed 10 roads to be taken up by the government of India to convert them into national highways. Stop. They may be national highways or simply taken over by the government of India. Stop.